In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on Stripe in this 2025 tutorial. Whether you're billing customers in a new region or simply updating your currency preferences for a different market, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to make the switch smoothly and efficiently. First, start by navigating to the Stripe dashboard. You can do this by visiting the Stripe website and logging into your account. Once you're on the home page, look for the plus button. This is usually found in the upper part of your screen. Clicking this button will open up a menu with several options. Next, from the options available, click on Invoice. This will redirect you to a new screen where you can manage your invoices. The key here is to ensure that you are on the correct invoice, so make sure you have the right customer in mind. Now, it's time to add a customer. This step is necessary if you haven't already done this, as every transaction within Stripe is tied to a specific customer profile. Navigate through your customer list and select the appropriate customer for whom you wish to change the currency. Once you've selected your customer, the next step is to focus on changing the currency itself. Look for the currency option on the invoice screen and click on it. This will bring up a list of available currencies for you to choose from. Now, it's time to select the currency you'd like to use for this particular invoice. Whether you're switching to euros, yen, or any other currency available in Stripe, make sure to select the one that best fits your needs. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll assume the needs of your customers are best served by selecting AED, the United Arab Emirates Dirham, but you can choose any currency that Stripe supports. With your currency set, it's now time to move ahead and select your items. Click on Items, which will give you access to a list of items available within this invoice. Choose the items that need to be billed under the currency you've selected. The final step in this process is saving your changes. Once you have reviewed all details, such as customer profiles, currency, and items, click on the Save button. This ensures that all your adjustments are stored and processed within the Stripe system. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the currency on Stripe for your invoices. By following these steps, you can confidently manage your financial interactions in multiple currencies and streamline your billing process to suit your business needs. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful tutorials.